Hello and good morning again. Today we are going to show you how you can use BioZap for the distance healing. No matter whatever the distance, you can do a distance healing for your loved ones, for your son, for your father or mother, no matter where they are located in the world. You are sitting in India and your son are in United States, still he picks up the healing vibrations with a powerful scalar coil. What is a scalar coil? This is we developed based on the research work from the Nikola Tesla, the famous scientist, and we use Tesla coil. He has invented and found that a scalar waves is another type of electromagnetic waves that can move faster than the light and that can connect between people, and they can use to transfer the electricity. You can also search Dr. Mehl from Germany, the proof of the scalar waves working. He will explain how to transfer the electricity at one point to another without the wires. So here we use the nail sample, like you can make this kind of paper envelope. Here we use nail sample. Why we choose nail sample? Because your nail has your DNA, and DNA is only you in the universe. It has your specific vibration, your personal identity. So we use the nail sample, and any action performed on your nail sample is the same way getting action on you. For example, if any action performed on this nail sample, the same vibration will be picked up by yourself without light, without the cable, without the radio, because we use the support of scalar waves. Albert Einstein also called it a spooky action at a distance, and in modern physics they say quantum entanglement. In this they say that whenever a single system, like for example when a DNA is a single part of your system, when any part removed from the single system to a distance and any action performed on that part, the same moment, the same effect will also be, we can see in the original part. So when we removed your nail sample, it is a part of your system. So we place this nail sample in the center where we generate a scalar bubble. So with the scalar waves we transfer the healing vibration, we can say a frequency healing, or we can transmit a frequency through scalar waves. The same effect you will experience at a distance. For more detail how the scalar wave works and the more scientific explanation, please visit our website so that you can know more. So without wasting time, let's get started how you can use it. So we turn on the instrument. So let's say we have turned on the instrument and we have placed the nail sample. We place between the coils like this, and I want to do acupuncture balancing on this client. So I'll go to program. You can visit our another videos where we explain how to use the device and its function. So then I press start, and now it shows the device has started and the light is blinking. So now this person is getting the effect of balancing the acupuncture meridian at a distance, no matter whatever the distance is. So you can work on any issues. You can download this list from our website. It's free, and you can download the manual. So you can choose the list and you can use this for the distance healing. You can choose any program and you can do a distance healing. Now along with the device, this is we supply, is optional buy. It has a north and south polarity. So if we want to increase the healing effect, we use the H, which has a white sticker, and if we want to eliminate any bacteria or virus or fungi from your body, we use K, which has a black sticker. So here we want to enhance the acupuncture field, so I place the H on it. So this is like this, and if we want to run a session for virus or bacteria, then we use K like this. So this is earth rare magnet which has a more power inside, and it forces the scalar bubble to be a more focus in the center. It's increase the effect of the scalar field. So we use this magnet to enhance the effect of the scalar field. So thank you for watching this video, and I again suggest, if you have any serious disease, please consult your licensed medical practitioner, and you can read our manual before start using this instrument. And in our next video we are going to show you how you can program a medicine with BioZap remote adapter. So you can just program it the medicine and you can have it in your body. So that's called a vibrational medicine. So thank you very much once again, and please check out our links, our website, and see how you can purchase the device, and everything we supply in the box. Thank you once again.